Welcome to our channel. We are a group of software engineers working on this channel. We have some interesting videos installed for you. Find your favorite topics from tech and computers. Watch these videos and use them for your academics, self-study, teaching, and your interview preparations. We are also listening to you. Post your queries and find all your answers from the experts in this field. We are trying our best to provide you with the answers. Our content will be full of knowledge and fun, and watch whenever you are comfortable. Hoping Let's Understand will be your one-stop destination for computer programming and technology topics. We have videos in computer programming. Include C, C++, VC++, Win32, Windows GUI DLL. Find useful tips and tricks on Windows, Linux, Mac and Android. Hope you will find our content useful and be a part of our family. Please join us and stay connected with us. Thanks once again.